Whenever you look at two stories, there's going to be similarities and differences between the two stories. And so it's important for you as the reader to be able to determine which things are similar and which ideas are different. So as you're reading the stories, you need to make a list of the main points. And so you might do something like this. You would write story 1, and you would write the main point. And then there would be other points that might not be as important, so you would call those the supporting points. And then you'd come across another supporting point, so you'd write that one down too. Now you wouldn't actually write this, you would actually write a sentence here. You would write a sentence describing the main idea, and you would write a sentence for each supporting point. And you would do the same thing with the second story. Now I'm not going to write all this out, but you would do the same thing. You would write out your main points and supporting points. Then you would take this information and you would compare it. So you would figure out which ideas were the same and which ideas were different. So a similarity you might have is that both stories discussed the benefits of exercise. So that's a similarity between them. They're on the same topic. But you might write that story 1 said that swimming is the best exercise. Then you might go on and say that story 2 said that running is the best form of exercise. And you can continue to go on talking about things that are alike, things that are similar, and talking about the differences. So you can take all this information, and really if you needed to, you could write an essay with this. You could write a whole paragraph about the similarities and differences, and then you could wrap it all up with a conclusion. But it's important to be able to determine the similarities and differences anytime you read two stories.
To find out more about how to ace your test and get more practice for your test, click the study guide. Learn why Mometrix is the best and smartest decision you can make for your test prep choice. We have done all the work cutting through the fluff to give you what you need to perform well on your exam. Click the study guide to get started now, and thank you for watching and learning with us.